We're up here in the mountains to demonstrate just what comets are. If you take a little bit of snow, like we have here, this is what we think is the center of a comet. Mostly water ice, but it's not just pretty fluffy snow like this. It's got a lot of embedded dust particles. So we'll get a little dirt, mix that in there. And comets are thought to be dirty snowballs, or maybe icy dirt ball. As a comet approaches the sun, the sunlight, of course, warms the comet, and the ices start vaporizing and releasing the embedded dust particles. So what you see when you get close to the cometary nucleus are jets of gas and dust coming off preferentially toward the sun. And that's what creates the atmosphere that we usually associate with the great comets in the sky, like Hale-Bopp or Halley. But we never do really see the nucleus or the core of a comet from ground-based observatories. That requires a spacecraft to fly through the atmosphere and get a good close-up look at the heart or the nucleus of a comet. The Deep Impact spacecraft is a dual spacecraft, and 24 hours prior to the encounter itself, the impacting spacecraft will be released from the mother spacecraft. The impactor will actually hit the cometary nucleus and create a crater, and the mother spacecraft that released it 24 hours earlier will slow down and follow the impacting spacecraft by about 15 minutes so it can actually observe the crater being made in the nucleus of the comet. About 3 or 4 billion years ago, the number of comets impacting the Earth was substantially more than it is today. In fact, comets may have brought to the early Earth much of the water and the carbon-based molecules that allowed life to form in the first place. But today, the number of comets in the inner solar system is very much less, and they're not really thought to be a threat. But just to be on the safe side, NASA is supporting a half a dozen observatories that look full-time for comets and asteroids in the near-Earth space. We look for them, we discover them, we track them. Well, I guess I got started in astronomy when I was a kid, and my dad gave me a telescope for Christmas. I came to NASA in 1976, quite a long time ago. We're looking at comets, we're looking at asteroids, we're looking at the planets, we're doing exploration, we're doing science, and we're having a heck of a lot of fun.